What's up, guys? Right now I'm on my way to my friend Moes' house. We're gonna go check out his Mk4 Supra. I think it's super sick. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it. Moes actually the person I get all of my parts through. It's gonna be super sick. The 2JZ GTE, non-BBTI, to be specific. It's got a built head and a stock bottom end, so he's gonna take me for a ride in it. I've never been in it, so it should be fun. That 2JZ sounds so sick. This drive is gonna be about 2 hours long. It's gonna be worth it though. Gonna get some good content for you guys with the Supra. Let's see what Mo gives us in his Supra. I think super clean. Man, he's done so much to it since he's had it. I think he's had his car for 11 years, since he was in high school. I've driven my friend's Mk4 Supra a bunch of times because I used to let him drive my Z, and then he would let me drive his Supra when we would hang out, go cruise around and stuff. So I got the experience of driving a Supra, but his is NA, so this is gonna be my first time being in a car with a 2JZ and then an Mk4 with a 2JZ. This thing is so clean.
Completely. Bro, I've never really had anyone get out their car at a light. Just say like,
you're getting other reactions to this.
Thank you.
My boy got out in the middle of the street.
My boy got out, he said fuck everyone. Cause I don't care if this light turns green. Thanks, bro.
That's what happens when you own an Mk4.
That's what happens, bro.
Everyone loves it. So sick.
I mean, I love it too, you know. It's just like, it's fun. Cause that's how I was before I had a Supra.
Dude, yeah.
Anytime I see one, I'll go batshit crazy. I'll still go batshit crazy, bro.
It's an experience.
Yeah, bro. I'll see a Supra on the road this day. It'll sound like I never owned a Supra.
That feels like more. That feels faster than my seat. Third gear, it kept pulling even harder.
See, that's why I got a big turbo.
I felt it.
See, okay, so I'll tell you where that comes from. That comes from the large AR housing that I have. So I went with the 7075. It's a pretty laggy turbo because I'm getting full boost, like almost 5,000.
Yeah.
But that's the thing, and that's why I said it's not bad for highway car, because it's on the highway, the torque is consistent.
Yeah.
It's consistent. It just fucking keeps pulling you back.
Ooh, it does.
And when you do a smaller frame turbo, like let's say you do an SP cover from Precision or Comp, like yours, like the one you had on your Z, that's an SP cover.
Yeah.
So for example, quick spool or fast quick spool, but very low end torque. It's not gonna keep, as you said, remember on the, like you said, the guy on the dyno, when he tested the 7275, it kept going up. Yeah. So that's why it's just like, that's the thing, street cars, they have smaller turbos because they're fast. Like, yeah, you still get nice torque, but on the highway, you start dropping. Yeah. You know what I mean? So when you do a larger frame and a larger AR housing, you maintain that torque. Like, but you obviously get less, you get more lag. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's like, it's kind of like you gotta sacrifice one for the other, you know? But yeah, so right now, like as you can feel, it's hitting fuel cut when I'm like smashing on third, bro. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Is that a Supra? He's just nodding his head like,
that was a genuine one.
Yeah.
Like he was actually concerned. Like,
yeah,
you got a Supra?
that was real. Yeah, that sounds so good.
He's like, is it Mohammed? I was like, yeah. He was like, me too. I was like, nice. Yeah, it'll work. But for some reason,
how do you do that?
Oh, it was just engaged on my clutch. Oh my god. I think there's a Karen behind me that didn't like that.
There's so much fun you can have with the 2J. Yeah. Like the two-step and
that's
everything.
What I was telling you, like, there's a lot of support for it. You get it?
Yeah.
A lot of, like, you know, I'm not saying there's not a lot of support for VQs or anything, but it's just like a lot of tuners are comfortable tuning 2Js, like, because there's so much history and so much, like, so much experience behind 2Js, I guess, where, I mean, the products are there, the service is there, the knowledge is there, everything is there, like, it's all provided to you, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's why everything is a lot easier, I would say. It's just, you'll be able to find parts easier, you'll be able to work on it easier, you'll be able to get it tuned easier. you know, in a lot of things, in a lot of sense, things are gonna be cheaper. So it's just all like, it's a smart move. It's not just like, oh, I'm doing a 2J because I want to do 2Js. It's actually a good financial move for anyone who's doing a swap. Like, I'm not just being biased and saying, everything.
Because HRV are still trying to figure out those motors. With like the head lift
exactly. There's still R&D behind that motor, whereas the 2J has been around for fucking years, like fucking decades. You know what I mean?
So sick when it starts two-stepping.
I love the two-step. I'm such a ricer.
That's everyone's favorite part.
Everyone. Try it first. A little 1, 2, 3 action. Yeah, she's like, enough.
So sick. Oh.
Ooh, I ran some shit.
Oh man. Alright guys. It's time to head out. Oh, it's so cold. Sorry, I just realized I did a bad job because I didn't even introduce Mo at the beginning when I met up with him, because I was just so excited to hop in his car and everything. But that's the homie Mo. He's the one I get all my parts through for my cars. I've been getting all of my parts from him for my Z the past 3+ years. If you guys need any parts from him, you guys can hit him up at Moes Supra Performance Parts. He can get you anything you need for any make and model. If you do go to him, let him know that LilDavid sent you, and he'll hook you up a bit. I'll put his YouTube link down below so you guys can see who he is from the past. I had a lot of fun. He gave me literally the full experience of a Supra that anyone would ask for, so I really appreciate that. Pushing his car hard for me, for the video, for you guys, so you guys can enjoy it too. Yeah, shout out to you, Mo. Thank you for the experience. That was a lot of fun. There's a lot going on in the last video in the comments saying that I'm gonna LS swap, VR38 swap, RB swap, 2JZ swap, a lot of 2J swaps going in the comments. You guys will see what's coming soon. It's gonna be sick, and I can't wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys need any parts, you guys know who to hit up for car parts, any make and model, whatever you guys need, all the way up to tires. I get all of my tires through him as well. So whatever you guys need, Moes Supra Performance Parts is where you should go. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy this 2-hour drive with some music. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.